Hello everyone, today we are going to make stir-fry bittermelon and pork. Bittermelon is very healthy. You can try to cook for your family. First, let's cut the bittermelon into thin slices. First, cut it into half and remove the inside seeds. Then cut into thin slices. After that, cut pork into thin slices. First, cut pork into thick, big slices. First, cut into long strips, then cut into short pieces. Let's marinate the pork. First, add 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of chicken powder, is well. Let's marinate the bittermelon. Add 2 spoons of salt. Grab the bittermelon for 1 minute. Set aside for 5 minutes. Use the water, clean up the salt. Squeeze the water. Here are the ingredients: bittermelon, pork, red pepper, green pepper, onion. Heat the pot, heat the oil, add the onion. Stir fry the onion for 10 seconds. Add the pre-marinated pork. Spread out the pork. Add the green pepper. This green pepper is a little bit spicy. Optional, you can use other sweet red pepper, green pepper. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Spread it well. Stir fry evenly. Then take it out. Add oil, stir fry the bittermelon. Stir fry for 1 minute. Add the pre-cooked pork. Mix it well. Stir fry for another 30 seconds. Add some water. Boil it for like 45 seconds. The bittermelon is still remain the green color. Add the red pepper. Stir fry for 10 seconds. Then you can take it out. I upload recipe videos every day, seriously. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. This dish is very tasty. Bittermelon, pork, red pepper, a little bit spicy. You can try cook for your family.